It is possible to speak Spanish when juggling or preparing food, strolling, tidying, unwinding, trekking, working out, traveling by car, or horticulture, going camping, volunteering or traveling, painting or jogging. You can learn Spanish by yourself if I can do it while engaging in other things like walking or cooking. The best part is you can speak Spanish as you drive, do the dishes, work out, or do whatever else you want. If you listen those audios for 10 minutes every day, you will start speaking Spanish in 15 days. After 30 days, you will be conversing confidently in Spanish. With over 100,000 students worldwide, Spanish with Audios has simplified the science of conversational Spanish speaking, allowing you to transform your spare time into a potent new ability. It really is that simple. Undoubtedly, you have heard the benefits of speaking Spanish before. It's great exercise for your brain, keeping the gray matter working in order to not only boost your intelligence levels, but potentially stave off dementia. It instills confidence and emotional intelligence. It will help you think more creatively. Start your Spanish adventure today.